Yeah, fantastic partnership. After a long time, I think we've not had a 100-run partnership for a long time. It was good to get that partnership for the team's perspective. Looking at how we were placed at one point, we lost Gill early there. Not early. I mean, we still managed to get 40, 45, and then Gill got out. So obviously, we knew with Shreyas not being there, there is an added responsibility on the batters, and was a great partnership. We enjoyed every moment we spent out there. There was a lot of chatter between the two of us. We played so much cricket together. We understand each other really well. So it was just about taking the game, understanding what is required at that point, and it definitely comes with the experience as well. So much experience between the two of us. So we used it pretty well. I enjoy playing in Australia in general. Today was the perfect day again to get a big one and get the team through. We had the opportunity. The bowlers did a fantastic job of restricting them first up. With that score, I thought they were, little under par. Credit has to go to the bowlers, the way they bowled. Once we started to bat, obviously up front with the two new balls, it was a bit challenging. The pitch was slightly misbehaving at the start, and we knew once the shine of the ball is off, it gets a little easier. So that was the plan. I wanted to bat as deep as possible and see how we can take the game till the end. Sometimes you can think so many things, but it doesn't come off. But today was the day where I thought, okay, this is what I have to do, and it just perfectly fit into my plans. Obviously, when you play in Australia, you got to plan and play. So all the plannings, all the understanding that I had from the previous experience, I used it today. Look, they are a tough opposition. We have seen that over the years, how they play their cricket. They really enjoy their cricket. They really enjoy being out there in the middle. And it's nice to compete with guys like these. They never let anything come to you easy. You always have to work really hard for it. Having being here, playing with these guys so many times, it's very important to stand up against them and, get the best out of whatever experience that you have against these guys. They are a quality team. There's no doubt about that. So yeah, unfortunately we couldn't win the series, but I think it's still a very relatively young team. A lot of the guys haven't been here, played white ball cricket, so we can take a lot of positives also from here, especially Harshit Rana, who's playing white ball cricket for the first time in Australia. The way he bowled in both the games. Perth obviously was a shortened game, but looking at how he bowled in Adelaide and also here was a fantastic effort from him. Since the time I started playing, I never had 4 to 5 months to prepare for a series. So I wanted to utilize that. I wanted to do things on my way, in my own terms, and that actually worked out pretty well for me. Understanding what I need to do for the rest of my career. It was important to utilize that time because, like I said, never had such time in my hand. So I wanted to utilize that time, and I prepared pretty well back home. Obviously, the conditions back home and here are, not ideal. It's massive difference between the two countries, but I've come here so many times, so it was just about getting into that rhythm and understanding what I need to do here. So yeah, I give a lot of credit to how I prepped before coming here, giving a lot of time to myself first. That was very important because sometimes you got to understand that there's so much to do in life besides what you do professionally. But I got a lot of time in my hand, so I utilized that. And like I said, I could do things on my own terms, on my own time, which actually really helped me.